Hey guys, thanks for being here. We're gonna do another really fun project today, and we're gonna make some tornadoes in a bottle. So all you'll need for today's experiment DIY fun time is two of these big old pop bottles, soda, Coke, Dr. Pepper bottles, some water.
You're northern as
I
showing.
know. I'm gonna have some Gorilla Glue on there. It's not really necessary. You might just have some of the water come out. But when I was a little kid and I used to do this all the time, we would just use duct tape and that was fine. So duct tape and then also some food coloring. I'm going with green everything because it's my favorite color. And so let's dive in. We are just wiping off the top here so it's nice and dry after you rinse them out and do whatever you need to there. So then what we're gonna do with our Gorilla Glue is just kind of put this around the top here of one of the bottles just to kind of make a nice seal. There's that. And then we take our water and we pour that into the other bottle. Actually, no, we're gonna go this one. Probably do it over the sink because as you can see, I'm getting water everywhere. And we just need to fill it really like a little more than halfway. And then I'm gonna put just a few drops. I'm gonna do 5 drops of food coloring. We're gonna dry this off again. Stir that around a little bit. And then I suggest that you start the tape ahead of time. Get yourself a little piece. And then here's the bottle with the glue on it. And we're just going to put it down right on top of the other bottle. Make sure it's a nice clean seal there. And then as tight as you can, you're gonna wrap that right around there. Okay, so when that first layer is good, then you're just gonna keep wrapping some more duct tape around until there's enough that you feel pretty good about the seal. I'm gonna do one more piece up here a little further. Right, and then we are done. So now what we do is we flip it over, give it a little spin, and then we get to see our tornado go down.
Woo!
Super cool.
Yeah.
And then we can do this side again. That one was pretty much just bubbles, but you gotta get the nice little twist in there. There we go. Yeah. So lots of fun. Thanks for being with us today and stay safe and healthy.